Hello, I'm Kit Johnson and I would like to say hello. Today we'll be doing a documentary on these very two strange creatures I saw walking outside my house last night. Here they are. Very strange, aren't they? Very peculiar. Let me get a bit closer. What are they doing? That object, it looks so strangely familiar, and I cannot place my hand on why. They're doing it again. Is this some sort of ritual? By Jove, that's a shoe! What are they? They're worshipping the shoe. They're worshipping the shoe! Maybe I should take a few steps backwards. By Jove, it's another one! Bernie, I want to get out of here right now!